How does full coverage work in an at-fault accident with my truck? Have you ever wondered what happens if you are in an accident with your truck and you are at fault? Understanding how full coverage works can help you navigate this situation with confidence. Full coverage auto insurance typically includes liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Each type plays an important role when you find yourself in an at-fault accident. First, let's talk about liability coverage. This is often required by law in most states. If you cause an accident, your liability insurance will cover the costs for injuries or property damage to the other party involved. This means that if someone gets hurt or their vehicle is damaged, your liability coverage will pay for their medical bills and repairs up to the limits of your policy. Next is collision coverage. This part of your full coverage insurance helps pay for damage to your own truck after a collision, no matter who is at fault. If you are the one who caused the accident, collision coverage will cover the repair or replacement costs for your truck, minus any deductible you may have. This is especially helpful to ensure your truck is back on the road as soon as possible. Then we have comprehensive coverage. While this does not directly relate to accidents, it protects your truck from non-collision events. This includes theft, vandalism, and damage from natural disasters. So, if something happens to your truck outside of a collision, comprehensive coverage has you covered. In an at-fault accident, your liability coverage takes care of the other party's damages. Meanwhile, your collision coverage addresses the repairs needed for your truck. If you have a loan or lease on your truck, lenders usually requiring you to carry both collision and comprehensive coverage to protect their investment. It is also important to keep in mind that deductibles apply to both collision and comprehensive claims. This means you will need to pay a certain amount out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Additionally, liability coverage has limits. If the damages exceed those limits, you could be responsible for paying the remaining costs yourself. Some insurance companies offer accident forgiveness options. This means that your rates may not increase after your first at-fault accident, which can be a relief for many drivers. If your truck has custom parts or modifications, you might need special coverage to ensure those enhancements are protected. In summary, understanding how full coverage works in an at-fault accident can help you manage the financial impact. It provides protection for both your truck and others involved, ensuring that repairs and medical expenses are covered up to your policy limits.